Hi friends, Laura here over at Hello Cute Crafts, and look, I have something new and exciting to share. I just got the Sizzix Big Shot, and this is a new machine to me. I am a Cricut girl, but wanted to try the die cut cutting machine, so I wanted to share this with you, and we will go ahead and open it together. Adorable little crafts we can make with it. So let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we have. Oh, how fun! So we have this fun machine, and so this is a manual crank cutting machine. I got this on Amazon. I already have Cricut machines, and so I wanted to try something new. So this comes with the instructions as well as various plates. I have never used this type of machine before, so I would totally appreciate it if you had any suggestions or helpful tips. You can let me know in the comment section, and look forward to hearing more about this machine and what it can do in the next couple weeks. Thanks, friends!